In this video, we're going to be discussing simple future time. So what's the meaning of simple future time? Simple future time is used to describe actions or events that will happen in the future. To form the future time, in the most basic form, we use will plus the base form of the verb, or be going to plus the base form of the verb. So we have examples. The students are going to study advanced grammar later this semester. They will have a great time learning English grammar. So you can see we have are going to study, we have are going to plus the base form of the verb study, and will have, will plus the base form of the verb have. So when we use will, we use it for offers, agreements, refusals, promises, and predictions. These are the 5 main uses of the word will. When we use the phrasal modal be going to talk about the future, it's a little bit more limited in its use. We use be going to for predictions, just as we do with will. For example, the weather report said that it is going to rain tomorrow. But when we use be going to, we mainly use it for prior plans, things that have been decided beforehand. So for example, he is going to study for the test tomorrow night. So this sentence shows that this person has already made plans to do this tomorrow night. So a lot of times we say that will or be going to can be used interchangeably, that they mean the same thing, but there are differences. So for example, if we look at this picture, we have the picture of the divers getting ready to jump into the pool. We want to choose which one of these sentences is going to accurately reflect this picture. Is it the first one, they will dive into the pool, or they are going to dive into the pool? The actual answer is they are going to dive into the pool. And this is because we can see that they're just at this moment ready to go in, and this is part of what they have to do. It's already planned in the process of preparing to swim. Let's look at this GIF. Okay, so we want to know which one of these sentences is more accurate. When we first watch the video, we think the man is going to jump through the hoop, but he is actually going to push the other man into the pool. Or when we first watch the video, we think the man will jump through the hoop, but he will actually push the other man into the pool. In this case, again, it's a matter of prior plan. We think that this person is planning to jump through the hoop, but he is actually planned beforehand to push this guy into the pool. So they're both prior plans. Let's take a look at this last example. We want to decide if it's will or be going to. We have this sample student schedule for a future semester, spring 2017. That's next semester. We want to decide which sentence is a better description in this case. We have John will take English 1 next semester, or John is going to take English 1 next semester. So the correct answer is John is going to take English 1 next semester. Why? Because he's planned this already. We can see that he's registered for this English 1. He's going to take it next semester, so it's already a prior plan. This decision has been made. So in this case, we use is going to. And this is the same as if someone asks you, what class are you going to take next semester? You wouldn't really say, or a native speaker wouldn't really say, I'll take chemistry. A native speaker would usually say, I'm going to take chemistry, because it's already been planned. And this is a summary of the simple future. We have the 2 forms we can use, will plus the verb, or be plus going to plus the verb. And in this graphic, we can see that the simple future is indicated by the X mark in the future.